Hi, my name is Olamide Aderogba. I am a software electronic engineering student in ATU Galway, and in this video, I'll be presenting my second year IoT project. My IoT project is a gesture control music player. My motivation behind working on this project is based off my love for music and my interest in wireless gesture control in technology and electronics, which are slowly starting to be implemented in automotive technology. Through the use of this technology, drivers in automobiles can drive without any distractions and can change the sound and vary the volume through simple gestures. My project goes along with the seventh goal of the Sustainable Development Goal of affordable and clean energy. Through the use of the ultrasonic sensor and the PIR sensor, we reduce the energy consumption by abolishing the use of physical switches. And secondly, my project also goes along with the ninth Sustainable Development Goal of industry, innovation and infrastructure, as it contributes to the development of new technology and infrastructures. For my project, I have included two input sensors, which include the PIR sensor and the ultrasonic sensor. These two sensors are wired up to the ESP32. The ultrasonic sensor is used to vary the volume being output from the speaker, and the PIR sensor is used to change the sound. In order to store audio files to play, I downloaded MP3 files on the micro SD card, which is put inside the SD card reader and connected up to the ESP32. Along with this project, I've also developed a website which I can use to turn on and off the speaker. On the output side of my project, I have an LCD to display the current action carried out on the screen, whether it's volume variation or if it's changing of the song. I then have a speaker which is used to output the MP3 files which are stored on the micro SD card, and along with the speaker, I have a Max 98357A which is used for audio playback. And finally, I have four different LEDs. One LED is designated for the PIR sensor to show the movement has been made, and the three remaining LEDs are designated to the ultrasonic sensor to show the sound level. While working on this project, I also worked with various coding languages, which include C, JavaScript, and CSS. This is a brief run through of my code for varying the volume. So at the top, I have my audio library that I'm using, the declaration of the pins of the Max 9857A, the pins of the ultrasonic sensor, the variables of the ultrasonic sensor, and the LCD library. Inside my void loop, I have my ultrasonic code, which operates to vary the volume. As the trig pin emits a high frequency sound, the sound travels through the air, and when an object is detected, it bounces back to the module. Inside my code, I am using if and else if statements. And inside my else if statements, I have and logic operator. So if two statements are true, then the statement will be carried out. And when these statements are carried out, the volume will be varied. This is just a brief explanation on my skip song feature. Inside my void loop, I have an if statement that allows the PIR sensor to check any changes in infrared radiation in its field of view. And if motion is then detected, I then call up the next song function to play the next song.
Yo, Chief, they can't stop me from rapping, can they?
Thank you very much for listening to my video.